So I just want to say, people, yeah, I've been banned, yeah, from feeding the homeless, in Croydon for 7 years, everybody, yeah. It's disgusting. It's actually disgusting. The journey's at like a halt right now, everybody, yeah. I didn't know how to break this news to you guys and tell you guys what's happening, but basically, yeah, I've been stopped. I'm not allowed to have the shopping trolley in Croydon anymore, giving back anything to the local community, especially feeding and cooking for the homeless, everyone, yeah. So what's going to happen now? We have to go to a plan B, everybody, and just think of a solution. First and foremost, I have to clear up my name as well and just sort this out, because it's so ridiculous what's happening. I'm going to give you guys a look of what they've done. So basically they've outlined a map. I've got a map here right now, and they've outlined this map and where I can't be and where I can be. And also I've also got a letter that they've issued to me as well, in writing as well, people, yeah. And it's from the Metropolitan. I actually don't know where to begin with this one, people, yeah, but let me just start. First of all, I just want to thank everybody that's a part of my journey, that's been here, supporting me on the movement, feeding the homeless. I'm very passionate. I felt that this journey that I'm on is not just a journey that I'm here for myself and for any form of self-gains, but I strongly believe that I was here and I'm on a mission, and the mission that I'm on is not chosen by myself, but through life, it brought me to this part where I am right now, helping those that are in need, giving back to local communities, putting back the love into humanity. That is something that I strongly, deeply believe from the depth of my heart, that I'm here on earth, and that's my mission, that's my purpose. And there's joy in it, there's love in it, there's happiness in it, there's all in it. Because why? We all matter, and humanity matters, people, yeah? And we are all important. All of us that are here, we're all one. You understand? No matter what race or class or what country you come from, you understand, the color of your skin, what language you speak, the way you walk, the way you talk, the way you look. We are all here as one people, a part of the human race. And what's so important about that is that love has been destroyed on the way, and love is the most important thing on each and every one of our journey, you understand? And being humble and finding humbleness on our journey is most also important for each and every one of us as well, people, yeah? But let me just start by beginning. Yeah? Basically, yeah? I just want to say this, everyone, yeah? So I just want to say, people, yeah, I've been banned, yeah, from feeding the homeless in Croydon for 7 years, everybody, yeah. It's disgusting. It's actually disgusting. The journey's at like a halt right now, everybody. Yeah, I didn't know how to break this news to you guys and tell you guys what's happening, but basically, yeah, I've been stopped. I'm not allowed to have the shopping trolley in Croydon anymore, giving back anything to the local community, especially feeding and cooking for the homeless, everyone. Yeah, so what's going to happen now? We have to go to a plan B, everybody, and just think of a solution. First and foremost, I have to clear up my name as well and just sort this out, because it's so ridiculous what's happening. I'm going to give you guys a look of what they've done. So basically they've outlined a map. I've got a map here right now, and they've outlined this map and where I can't be and where I can be. And also I've also got a letter that they've issued to me as well, in writing as well, people. Yeah, and it's from the Metropolitan Police as well, people. Yeah, so the mission does continue. We are going to be on the journey the same way, but there's a lot of fight and there's a lot of hate in Croydon. You understand? And what they're saying with antisocial behaviour is that I'm disrupting the community from having a healthy, basically, lifestyle, the community and some of the vendors that are at the market, and that the antisocial behaviour that I'm doing is basically they're trying to cut down on the crime rate within the local community of Croydon, and my antisocial behaviour doesn't help with what they're trying to do within the local community of Croydon. So anybody that's watching this video right now that could help me and advise me on some legal advice, please send me an email, and let's try and sort out this matter as soon as possible. But until now, people, or until then, there will be no more cooking in Croydon, people. There'll be no more cooking. There'll be no more at the market. There'll be no more in West Croydon. There'll be no more on the high streets, people. I need to somehow also let the homeless people know that I'm feeding, or this is important now. Let them know that the ones that I'm feeding, and try and go to another location. I don't know how it's gonna work. That's somewhere probably outside of Croydon, and still continue or try some form of way to still provide some food for them at some point in the week. You understand, people? But anybody that's watching this video, big up yourself, said way, and thank you very much for being a part of the journey. But yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know what's actually happening, and what the next stage is that I'm going to be doing. I'm literally going to have to be venturing out, finding a solution on how to be traveling into a different location. Now it's going to be a little bit more sticky, because Croydon was like it was kind of easier. People are local. I got a lot of support from friends and other individuals as well, but at the same time there's a major fight, people. Yeah, they do not want Ringo Vision to actually be in Croydon anymore, providing food to the local community or the homeless people. Yeah, so that is it, people. That is it. Just stay tuned. I'll be giving you guys an update on what's going to be happening next. You understand? It's so sad and disgusting with this behavior as well, yeah, because I've fed so much people, and so much people have been helped in this process of time. This action is actually coming from the market. It's coming from the initial phone call that Joseph called the police. They all got together and they all basically probably signed a petition or came together, voted, and basically argued about me being a part of the community or being in the community, and they went against it. And this is why this action has been made, people. Yeah, so it's not just come from random people, it's come from the same people that have been around there at the market, buying fruits and vegetables for the last 8-9 months, spent thousands and thousands and thousands of pounds at that market just to provide food for the local community and the homeless. Do you understand? So that market has been highly supported by myself, buying ingredients, buying all the utensils, using the local shops and the local vendors, putting money back into the local community, but at the same time, what my mission is and what's been happening has been looked at as a disruptive behaviour. Do you understand? In my local community, I went to school in Croydon. I studied in Croydon. I'm a part of Croydon Borough. I'm a part of Croydon community, but yet still, I'm one of the individuals that they do not want to be a part of the Croydon community and to be anywhere near, even in the local shops or even on the high streets, people. It's mad. It's mad. I'm here at Croydon Police Station, everybody. Yeah, it's literally evening times now, night time now. Yeah, there's no more cooking, there's no more shopping trolley in Croydon in Croydon, people. So it's mad. Literally, the mission will 100% continue. We will continue to feed the local community somehow, some way. The mission will definitely go on. We'll spread out and we'll go across the country, like I said before. There's 71 cities here in the UK, 71, and we're going to be tackling the 71 cities in the UK, everyone, including Ireland and Wales, do you understand, and Scotland, to help those communities, to help those that are in need, to give back to our local community, and most of all, to embrace humanity, put the love back into humanity, rekindle all the love, people. You understand? Look, I'm right here at the police station. They're normal people like us, but at the same time, we've been penalised for the great works and for the mission that we believe in, everybody here, which is humanity. The love of humanity, the love of people, the love of giving back to local communities. When I initially started this journey, yes, everyone, so when I initially started this journey 4 years ago, it was all about food, just doing recipes, cooking, you understand, showing off different type of culinary dishes that I've grown up eating back home in Jamaica from my grandparents, from my parents. And I just wanted to show the world the passion and my passion, and just share it with people, share my style, share my flavors. And literally that's what it was really all about. And ongoing, I found different style. I started to go out and I found myself like out a lot in nature, cooking in rural spots, like out in the forest, by the river, by a beach, somewhere out in the town. And then I was interacting with people within the public of just cooking the food, and people was drawn to it. And from there, I got a shopping trolley one day, and I said, you know what, I'm gonna walk around and cook and feed some people and give the people the food from the shopping trolley when I cook it. Because every time I cooked food on YouTube, I always gave the food away. From the very, very first video that I've uploaded on YouTube, I gave away all of that food. And from all of that, from that first day of giving away all of that food, I've never stopped giving away that food. The purpose just came to me that, Ringo, don't give the food to just random people and friends and family and just random people out on the street when you're cooking. Give it to those that are in need. And from that initial spark, last year, literally going 9 months now, from that literally spark came, I've never stopped since then, because I felt that that is the purpose, and this is the purpose that I'm on and my journey. And I feel very, very disappointed at this point to know that I've been individual from the local community of Croydon. I've studied here, I've been part of the community, I've helped the community, I've got friends and family in the community, but yet still I've been issued and I've been banned from this community for 7 years, people. We all need to stand up and try to do something about this, everybody, yeah? If you're watching, share this video, spread the awareness, let people know what's going on in our society in today day and age right now, people, yeah? One love to each and every one of you. Big up yourself. You understand? I'm still here, right here outside the police station right now, everybody, yeah? So, yeah, man, that is it. One love, everybody. Good vibes. So what we've got here, everyone, is a map, and this is showing you the approximately area where I'm not allowed to be in Croydon. Yes, and it's a very big dynamics. They've covered the whole of Croydon. It doesn't really make sense if they had an issue at the market. So it doesn't make sense, everybody, if they've got an issue at the market. So what they're saying on this that they've issued me is antisocial behaviour, Crime and Policing Act 2014, Part 4, Chapter 1, Community Protection Notice. And what it's saying here, nature of conduct. Your antisocial behaviour is having a negative impact on the local businesses and the community members in Croydon Town Centre, especially Surrey Street Market. So that's mad, people. Feeding the homeless has an impact of antisocial behaviour amongst the community and amongst the market stall and the people that have their stalls at the market, the vendors. In addition to this information has been received of you making threats multiple members of the community, your behaviour is deemed as intimidating, causing stress to the local business. So basically they're saying that I'm deemed causing stress to the local business. As a result of the above, you are being issued with a community protection warning. I'm gonna screenshot this and show you guys this letter, people, yeah? All right, I could vibe said way. Let's see if anyone Yes, everybody, so the fact of the matter is what should we actually do now? And we're at a standstill, because as you know, that Croydon is that community that we have been tackling. We've been putting all the energy, a lot of compassion, a lot of love into that community, and now that community has been taken away from us. All the people that have been getting help has also been taken away from us, everybody. Do you understand? They're going to be looking out and thinking, where is Ringo? Where is the kitchen? Where is the food? Where is the love? Do you understand, people, yeah? Yes, Croydon does offer food banks, sandwiches, crisps, do you understand? Cold food. But we really was doing something and making an impact in the community of Croydon that some really didn't like what was going on in their community, people, yeah? So we need everybody, I need everybody right now that's a part of this journey, that's on this movement with me, yeah? Anyone that's got transportation, that can help with transportation, that knows any company that can do any form of sponsorship, even if it's like for 2 weeks, for 3 weeks, anybody that's got a van that they're using that wants to come out and help. Let's communicate, let's connect, and let's keep the journey going, people, yeah? You understand? One love to each and every one of you that's on the journey with me, that's supporting the movement. Thank you very much. I appreciate every single one of you. Bear with me. I'm going through all the previous comments as well. A lot's been going on lately, people, yeah? So I'm just trying to get my head around how I'm actually going to continue on the journey and regain my position in the community of Croydon. You understand, people, yeah? Because they're trying to tarnish and put slander on the activity that I'm carrying out, which is just giving back to the local community, helping those that are in need. And you saw that we done a Christmas dinner for the homeless. You saw that we done a summer barbecue for the homeless. And we was yet to come and do a New Year's dinner for the homeless within the next couple of days. But everything has been at halt right now. I've just had to put everything on the stop. So if you're watching this video, let me know what solutions you guys have and how we can move forward, please, yeah? And it's very, very, very urgent, everybody, yeah? Share this video, spread this video amongst friends and family so that we can get the awareness. We need our kitchen back on the road, people, yeah? We need to be back out there serving the community, helping the homeless, you understand, people, yeah? So that's what's up right now, people, yeah? So big up yourselves. Thank you very much for all your support. One love.